episode. Warning. Please turn your volume down. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I love
Oh my
birds.
gosh, this game is so fun! Oh my god!
Quiet! Quiet! Dude, calm down!
Did you know I was given the V-Bucks section?
Bird go flying
Oh
and...
my god.
Hey guys, welcome to my second video. I'm really excited for today's video because this is my first devlog. I've been working on this game for a while. Oh, and I know I told you guys it's gonna take me a while to. My first devlog won't be out for a while probably. Well, I made a lot more progress than I was expecting, and after changing one thing, which I'll get to later in the video, you just gotta wait. After changing one thing, my progress was so much faster. I was making so much more progress, and I'm really excited about it. So let me start off the video by saying sorry for that intro. I know that was shit. That was awful. But you know, I wanted to start it off my video high energy. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because it really does help my channel out. I am a very small channel, as you can see probably by my views. I'm sure this video has like 10 views while you're looking at it. But I'm really excited to, continue working on this game and work on my future games. And it's harder for me to do that when I don't have much of a reason. I'm going to be doing this either way, with or without a big channel. But I will say I'll have a lot more, I'll just want to do it more probably, and I'll work harder towards it. So anyway, do please subscribe and like the video, and share this with a friend if you think they'll enjoy this. Now the question you guys all had on your mind, obviously, is will I be releasing this game? And no, that's my answer. I will not be releasing this game because this is just for learning, and I don't really think it's going to be that great. I'm pretty sure it's not, unless I somehow get cracked and just go crazy, but that's not gonna happen. So yeah, I will not be releasing the game. This is just for learning for me, and nothing. So I will also be starting a Discord in case any of you guys want to be kept more up to date, because devlogs, I might not be on time with them, whatever. I will be posting like little clips or videos or pictures of something I worked on. So yeah, I'll be starting a Discord, and you guys can join that. I will put the link in the description, so you guys can just go right ahead and join it from there. I'm also going to quickly talk about what I've been using and what you guys have been watching for a bit. Not right now, but a second ago. How I made my sprites, and that is pixel art. You could see, the logo, and if you rewind it a bit, but it doesn't matter. Pixel art is great. I just wanted to say, if you guys want to use it, by the way, not sponsored at all. How could I even get a sponsor? I have like one subscriber. Do I have one subscriber? I might have one subscriber. Whoever you are, I love you. Thank you for that. Anyway, so yeah, it's great. It's what I'm using now, and I've made a pretty cool sprites with it. You can see I've only implemented one because of the one thing I don't like about it. The one thing is I don't think it's built for sprites specifically. So implementing sprites can sometimes take a while. It's pretty time consuming, and you have to do it one at a time. It's not like one of those sheet things. If you guys do know another program that I might like better, and that where you can implement sprites like right away without it taking so long, please do comment that, because I really need that. I love pixel art. It's really nice. There's a lot of different tools to use. You can darken it, lighten it, paint it any color, whatever. So it's pretty cool, but there is that one issue that is a deal breaker for me, because it is very time consuming to implement every single sprite. And there is another thing I could recommend you guys. If you don't want to have to deal with the issue I'm having to deal with right now, you can use a sprite, it's called. It is $20, but it looks great, and I'm pretty sure it's made specifically for sprites, so probably really easy to implement sprites into your game. But yeah, I could recommend you guys that. It's $20. I would get it, but I'm thinking about it. I probably will, but as you guys know, I'm trying to save up for a PC. Also, if you guys haven't watched my previous video, go ahead and check that out after you watch this video, because it kind of gives you an introduction to my channel, what I'll be doing, and what I'm excited for. Oh, and something that really helped me, and may help you guys, hope it does, is visual scripting. I'll go into it more in a second, but first, let me talk about my experience before visual scripting. So, obviously, coding is very difficult. It is like it literally is an entirely new language. I just don't understand it. It doesn't make sense to me. I did Code Monkey, so I thought I would be able to handle this, but apparently Code Monkey is different than Unity, or any game coding at that. So, I did some research and I figured out Bolt. Bolt is something you can add to your package manager in Unity, which is what I'm using right here. As you can see, visual scripting. You just go to the asset store in Unity and search up Bolt. It might not be the first thing that comes up, but it is free and it's great. I've made a lot of progress figuring things out. If my code looks like it makes no sense, that's because it probably doesn't, because the bottom part I was experimenting, trying to figure out a collection system so you could, pick up the coins. But yeah, that's Bolt. I think have I already talked about it? If I have, that's really embarrassing. Anyway, I'll say that it is in the description. I'll put a link to it. Try and put a link to it. I really still figuring out this whole YouTube thing, so if it's not there, it's because I don't know how to put it there. But I'll try and figure it out. I'll spend some time doing that. Anyway, hope that did help you guys, because it really helped me. Also, you might see me looking like I'm losing my mind here. It's because I am. I didn't know how to switch from the tile map to the regular. I didn't know how to disable the tile map at the time, and I just had to deselect my tool, which I figured out now. So a lot of it, I'm just like scrolling around looking for stuff to do, trying to figure out how to disable it. But anyway, so yeah, that's Bolt. So go check it out if you guys are interested in game development, or if you're interested in making games without code, which makes things a lot easier. So, let's get into more of my progress from this game. I hope I have enough information to make for this video to be interesting to you guys, but I haven't made a ton of any groundbreaking progress. I made a movement system, and the sprites I've told you about, that little pillar, that'll be the thing that you have to jump over and through, which you can now see me making. And I haven't made the collisions, so I go through everything. I go through the ground, I go through the rock, but I will be adding that shortly, by the next devlog, definitely. But yeah, so that's mainly been my progress. I've added a sprite for so you guys saw all of my different sprites for the rock ground, the grass ground, a combination of both, and the rocks on top, and also a little coin. I made that too. So yeah, that's mainly all my progress. A little embarrassing that that's all I have to talk about, but I'm just starting off. You guys can understand. For my game, I will also mention this is not it's not just Flappy Bird. Like I said earlier before, I don't know if I meant. Oh gosh, I am such an idiot. I think I might have talked about this before. That's super embarrassing. Anyway, I'm gonna talk about it again just in case. So I will be adding a shop, where you can buy hats. I'll make a bunch of different hat sprites and add it into the game. Hats, clothes, and basically the objective of the game. If you looked at the terrible duck I made, it's absolutely awful. But if you paid any attention to it, it has an injured leg, so your objective is to get to the last level and get to the hospital. I don't know, it's really stupid. Anyway, so yeah, that's my game. Hope you guys like everything I've added to it so far. If you have anything suggestions for me, please do comment. I'd like to hear from you guys, and I like to make this game geared towards what you guys like and things you would find interesting. Hey guys, this is future me. Just wanted to add real quickly, if I add enough things, I was thinking about it, and if I add enough things, that don't make this game a complete copy of Flappy Bird, then there's a chance I might like add a link to it so you guys can play it, but I won't be publishing, that's for certain. Alright, that was the video. That was my first devlog. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please subscribe and like the video. That will really help. And have a great day.